In this 637 on the microwave. I'm being fired on for hours now. I'm laying here and this thing is just running programs through my brain from this signal box on the building. These microwave weapons they got on top of the building behind bus stop number 386. They've been firing these weapons on me right through this wall here, down on the pillow, down into my head. This is a record of it. Microwave warfare. There was just a big pause in the video. I don't know if it's going to show up. It was just paused at 105 and then it jumped to 127 on the counter. When I turned the light on, it didn't even show up on the camera. It just... They're messing with my phone too. That's another thing they're doing. There's voice to skull coming from Pearl Harbor, HICKAM Air Force Base now. Again. Oh, God. This is a record of it. It's 5/16/2020. Extreme microwave weapons attacks as we're locked down for this COVID-19 thing. OAHU, Hawaii. And again, it's pausing the timer on my phone.